Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my holiday house tour. So I'm going to take you around the entire house and show you what it looks like right now while it's decorated for Christmas. And I'll also be telling you where I got a few things. So let's go ahead and get started. Starting here at the front door, I just have this blanket ladder with our stockings on it. My husband actually built this blanket ladder. And then these stockings I got off of a Facebook group last year. And then the beads with our initials came from Hobby Lobby last year as well. And then I just put this red blanket on there for a pop of color. And then I have over here my Vanilla Bean Noel candle burning. This little Christmas tree came from a local woodworker, and then these buffalo plaid ones, the 3 came from Hobby Lobby this year, and so did this beaded garland. I absolutely love this garland. I love the natural wood and the farmhouse touch that it brings. And then this little house came from Target Dollar Spot last year. For the tree, it actually came from Walmart's website last year right after Christmas. It's either 7.5 or 8 feet, I can't remember, but it is not pre-lit, so I just added some lights. And then most of the ornaments I either already had or they came from Hobby Lobby. These big glittery, there's silver and there's red. I got those from Family Dollar this year. They were actually only $1. And then I was really surprised because there was also some at Hobby Lobby that were very similar that came in a pack of 4. So that's where these came from. And then these picks came from Hobby Lobby, and then all of the ribbon on the tree came from Hobby Lobby as well. I absolutely love this tree. It is one of my favorites that I've done so far. I love all of the ribbon on it, and I don't know, I just love the way that it turned out. For the kitchen, I wanted to keep things pretty simple because we will be having so many family and friends over throughout the holiday season. So for the island, I just put this vanilla woodwick candle, and then over here on the stove, I added this plaid hand towel, and this plaid matches the plaid that's in this sign absolutely perfectly. And this sign I loved. I could not leave the store without it. I got it from Bell's Outlet, and then in front of it I just have my fresh balsam candle from Kirkland's, and then I have a little ceramic Christmas tree, and it's on one of the mini cake stands from the Target Dollar Spot. I don't remember where that little ceramic tree is from because I've had it for so many years. I think I got it from Yankee Candle, but like I said, I can't remember. And then this sign is from the same local woodworker that made the Christmas tree that's in the living room. also kept things pretty simple in the dining room because we will be having so many meals here. So I just have this buffalo plaid table runner. A friend actually gave this to me because she saw my decor and knew that it would fit perfectly, and she didn't have a use for it, but I believe she said that she got this from Wayfair. And then I just have this pre-lit garland from Hobby Lobby, as well as some of the berry picks. I have the same ones over on the tree, but I just cut them off and stuck them in. Those are from Hobby Lobby as well. And then I want to try to find maybe a little wreath to hang on the barn door, but other than that, that is all for the dining room. Moving on to the guest bathroom, I really didn't do a whole lot in here either, but I did add one of those little houses from the Target dollar spot on the shelf, and then I added one of the little Christmas trees from Target as well. And then I don't ever really show these back bedrooms just because they're empty, but since it is a house tour, I figured I'd go ahead and show you guys. So here is one of the bedrooms. And then here is the other. There's still some boxes in this one that I need to unpack, but I'm hoping to maybe turn this into my home office pretty soon, but I need to declutter a few things. Here in the master, I really haven't done much. I want to maybe find some pillow covers to go on the bed, maybe some plaid ones or something. And then you can't really tell on camera, but I added some of those berry picks to that wreath as well. But that's all I've done in here. And I really don't plan on doing too much more. Like I said, maybe some pillowcases. But that is it. And then all I've done in the master bathroom is just added some Snowdrop hand soap and one of the Target dollar spot trees. It's kind of not functional for us to have too many decorations in here, but I do love the little touch of the tree in here. But yeah, that is all in here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my Christmas home tour. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what your favorite part of this home tour was. And don't forget, if you are participating in Vlogmas, to collect your letters. That way you can enter the giveaway at the end of the month. And also, don't forget to check out Jessica's channel. I will leave it linked below. And I will also have all of our videos in a playlist over on my channel, just in case you think you forgot one. But thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.